video settings for selecting your cam, you will now see besides your original camera, there will be an option of selecting the Irian webcam. And since Irian has connected to your phone camera actually. Also, welcome back guys. My name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign, we go about looking at how you can use your phone camera as your webcam. Few days back, we made a tutorial on how you can use your DSLR as webcam, and any of this solution, you have to go ahead and install certain application. Today's tutorial, we speak of an application which can be used in both Windows as well as Mac. The only important thing that you need to do is ensure that your Windows or Mac and the phone is on the same wireless network. So without wasting any further time, let's look at the steps. So very importantly, we have to ensure that our computer and the phone is on the same wireless network. So here is Geo 2.4. When we show the steps that need to be taken on the phone, we will ensure that it is also on the same network. Now head towards Google and download an application which is called as Irian. Here you can see, like for Windows, you have the drivers on this following link, and if it's a Mac, you need to download the drivers for Mac. So we are on Windows right now, so I go ahead and download the drivers for Windows. Once these drivers are downloaded, we'll go ahead and install these drivers. Simply double click on this and I accept, and let's do next. Let's click on install. Once the drivers are installed, you will have a small software kind of thing appearing on the desktop. So we can run the Irian webcam. Let's click on finish. So here you can see, like it says that there is no phone available as of now. So let's go ahead and do the phone thing. So here we are on the mobile. Let's look at the steps that we need to take. The first steps are like having the same Wi-Fi network on the mobile device as well. So let's look at the wireless networks. Luckily, we are on the same wireless network. Once that's been established, let's kind of go back to the Play Store and download the same application, Irian. And like once this application has been installed, it will ask for camera access because it wants to turn the camera into webcam. So let this app get installed. Well, the app has finished installing. Let's click on open. And here it simply gives you information. It tells that not only is the thing possible over Wi-Fi, you can also do it using USB cable. And it says that both the cam and the PC should be on the same wireless network. Well, so much for the information. Let's click on continue. It will ask for permission to the webcam. So also for the audio. So let's do that as well. And there you go. So we have the camera turned on as of now. But this is the back camera. In case you want to do with the front camera, you just simply go to the settings, you click on this camera, you make it front, and like you can go back, and here you go. So this is basically the front camera. So it depends like which camera you want. And now let's go back to the PC. So this is how the setup looks. So whatever you see on the phone, you can see like the Irian webcam interface actually displays the same thing. And now like how these things work is like anytime you use an application like Zoom, WebEx or anything, you also get to see like this software camera, which actually becomes the webcam. So basically now the phone camera is being used as a webcam on this software interface. And say for example, I am using Zoom. So let me kind of open up Zoom. So here like now what will happen is I will get the video settings option and I will be able to select, like it will be defaulted to a different cam, but I will be seeing that there will be something called as a Irian cam also. So I can select that, and now basically what is happening is my phone camera is the same as my actual camera being used because the Irian software manages that. Now the same thing for Mac as well. You will have this software available on the Apple Play Store also. So like you have to do the same steps. So hopefully this helps, like you understand this. Let's look like on this computer right now. So we are on the PC right now and we are using the Zoom interface. So in case this is Zoom, you may also be using WebEx. Anything like whenever you go to the video settings for selecting your cam, you will now see besides your original camera, there will be an option of selecting the Irian webcam. And since Irian has connected to your phone, basically you will be using your phone camera actually. So this is a pure 4K resolution camera from the phone being displayed here as the webcam. So this is how simple it is, and I think it's really brilliant. If you use the USB cable mode, there will be less latency and lag. But I really find this to be a fantastic solution because gone are those days when you have those pathetic laptop like internal native webcams, and now you can use your iPhone or your Galaxy smartphone, like back cameras, and these are great cameras for displaying like yourself and other things that you want. So hopefully today's tutorial helps. In case you think it's helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Let us know whether you could successfully use your phone camera as a webcam, because that would make us very happy. In case you have failed, just let us know what's the problem and we would be more than happy to sort it out. And we will catch you in the next one. I would love your subscriptions and love you sharing this tutorial with your friends. Thank you.